Hello and welcome again to Happiness Online Math. Today we have another question on the board. Let us solve for the value of x. Solution. Okay. So if we collect like terms, this becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 5 raised to the power x into 1 plus 1 equals 100. So this becomes 10 raised to the power x times 3 divided by 5 raised to the power x times 2 equals 100. Now this is the same as this times 3 over 2 equals 100. Now this is in the form of a raised to the power x divided by b raised to the power x is equal to a over b raised to the power x. Okay, so this becomes 10 over 5 raised to the power x times 3 over 2 equals 100. 5 here, 1, 5 here is 2. So we have 2 raised to the power x. The 3 over 2 equals 100. So to get rid of the 3 over 2, we can multiply both sides by 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 to the reciprocal of 3 over 2. That should help us get rid of the 3 over 2 times 2 over 3. 2 cancels 2, 3 cancels 3. So we have 2 raised to the power x equals 100 times 2 will give us 200 divided by 3. So next, now we supply log to both sides. So we have log 2 raised to the power x equals log 200 divided by 3. Now this x comes over to this side and becomes x log 2 equals log 200 divided by 3. Okay, so now to find the value of x, we just divide both sides by log 2. Log 2 cancels out, and we have x equals log 200 over 3 divided by log 2. Now, we know that log of a over b is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, so log 200 over 3 becomes log 200 minus log 3, all divided by log 2. So we can separate these into standalone fractions. This becomes log 200 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. Now, we know that log of a over log of b is equal to log of a base b. So let's rewrite our right-hand side in that format. So we have log of 200 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. Now, let's break the 200 down. 200 is the same thing as 8 times 25. All right? Because we're trying to get a number in such a way that it will be 2 raised to the power something, so we can strike off the log 2. Okay, So now we have x equals log of 2, 8 times 25 minus log of 3 base 2. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3, and 25 is the same thing as 5 squared. So now we have x equals log of 2, 2 raised to the power 3, dot 5 raised to the power 2, minus log 3 base 2. So let's break this up. This becomes log of 2 raised to the power 3 base 2 plus log of 5 raised to the power 2 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. This automatically becomes 3 log 2 base 2 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. From the rule of log, we know that log of a base a is 1. So now we have x is equal to 3 times 1 plus 2 log of 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. So our final answer becomes 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. And this is our final answer. Now let us go ahead and verify just to confirm that our answer is correct. Now we know that our question is 10 raised to the power x plus 10 raised to the power x plus 10 raised to the power x divided by 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power x equals 100. If we collect the like terms, becomes this. So we have 10 over 5 x 3 over 2 100. Okay, so we have 2 raised to the power x times 3 over 2. Let's see if this is going to be equal to 100. Now our x is equal to 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2. So now this becomes 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus log of 3 base 2 times 3 over 2. And let's see if that's going to be equal to 100. Now all this becomes 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power log of 5 squared base 2, because the 2 goes back to the 5, and divided by 2 raised to the power log of 3 base 2 times 3 over 2. Let's see if it's going to be equal to 100. Our log rule states that a raised to the power log of b base a is equal to b. So now we have 2 raised to the power 3 times 5 raised to the power 2 divided by 3 times 3 over 2. Let's see if this is going to be equal to 100. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8 times 5 raised to the power 2 is 25 divided by 3 times 3 divided by 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 4, 3 here is 1, 3 here is also 1. So we have 4 times 25. That's going to be equal to 100. If we multiply 25 and 4, we get 100. So our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. Therefore, our value of x, which is 3 plus 2 log 5 base 2 minus 3 minus log 3 base 2 is the correct answer. Okay, thank you for watching today. If you like today's video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.